This video will show you how to remove tabs in Word. Click Home. You'll see this in the editing ribbon above your document. Click the box with an arrow pointing out of it next to Paragraph. This will open the Paragraph dialog box. Click Tabs. You'll find this at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click Clear All. All the tabs in your document will disappear as soon as you click this. If you want to remove one tab, you can click that tab to select it, then click Clear to remove it. Click OK. As soon as you click OK, your document will update to reflect your changes. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.